Hey guys, it's Kamil with Metro Motor from Clarendon.
Hey guys, I'm Tony with Metro Motor on Capitol Hill.
Hey guys, it's Karla from Metro Motor in Palisades.
Here with Metro Motor during Wiper Week. We're gonna have a little friendly competition, see who can get the fastest wipers on and off the car.
I think I'm gonna win the wiper competition because I'm super competitive.
I'm gonna show these guys who's boss and show them girls do it better.
I'm gonna be the fastest one, obviously.
So are you guys doing 2 different sizes?
Some cars have 2 different sizes on it. So the passenger is usually the smaller one, and then the driver's side's the bigger one.
Go, Karla.
Feeling good, feeling ready. A little chilly out, but that's not gonna stop me. Quickest hands in North Arlington.
Warming up, sun's feeling good, it's starting to hit.
We're gonna get viewers involved and be like, as you guys are seeing this competition, guess how many times these new wipers are gonna be used? About 1.5 million sweeps over their lifespan.
You guys haven't seen how fast I put those boys on.
So yeah, just let me know, and then I'm gonna try and walk my way back here to end back on this.
Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Maybe what we can do is, would it be better if I kind of follow with you?
Yeah.
And then that way, or even if I stay here, I can also like be talking and like.
Yeah. Tap me once you're ready, and then I'll start getting back into this.
Yeah. And then whoever is finished first, just kind of throw up a hand once you're done so we can declare a winner. I'm so excited. Sean is back with me again. Sean, for Wiper Week that's happening this week, we are so excited about it. So we had to have a competition that's based on Wiper. Let's go in 3, 2, 1.
Wiper blade is slow is smooth and smooth is fast. You never want to do any damage while changing it, but at the same time,
It's a woman.
we have a winner! We have a winner!
Look at that!
Incredible!
Okay.
Incredible!
You know
Great
what?
job, guys. It may have been even less than a minute. I also wasn't timing. It was quicker than I thought. This is Kamil from our Metro Motor Clarendon location. He is the winner today. Congratulations, Kamil.
Awesome work.
We have Tony from our Capitol Hill location, one of our long-standing and I believe our oldest location.
And last but not least, our girl who put in the work. You did so good.
Almost, Karla. This is Karla from our Palisades location. So again, great job, Tony and Karla. But especially to Kamil with the championship.
With the win. I have to say too, I think she had the harder card. They did,
definitely
yeah.
so. Subarus are a little bit tricky. So. No, I actually don't believe it. I'm gonna have to fact check.
DMV. And you actually, living in a big city, need to change your wipers more often.
Yeah, no, it's so true. Very true statement. Just like tires and brakes in a major city, they wear out much quicker.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Well, I'm so excited because we're going to continue this conversation. I might share another fun fact later, but I'll send it back to you for now, Roxanne, and we'll see you back out here in just a bit. Lovely. We are clear.
Good job.
Both of you guys did the same thing.
Oh,
can I take a picture of all of you guys while we have our jackets on?
I was like, she looks so calm.
Awesome. Yay.
Yes.